Hi guys, hey, today I'm doing something a little bit different, and today I am getting out this vibration plate. Now it's meant for Pilates, but that's not what I'm going to use it for. But so I just, out of curiosity, I noticed that when I was mowing that my shoulders from the vibration would get better and it would just ease it up. And I thought, well, if that's a vibrating plate and it vibrates your whole body, could that have the same effect on my spontaneous as the lawnmower? If I just get on it 10 minutes a day, twice a day or something. So I thought, well, at the very least, I can open it. I can show you what it's about. I can, go through all the motions. Now this thing has suction cups on the bottom, which I'm not sure if I showed, but it has suction cups on the bottom, heavy duty ones. And this thing, I had it on 6. I don't know how high it goes. I got the papers here, I just didn't, but it does vibrate quite well. Well, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you the unboxing and show you what it looks like. It's very pretty, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. See, this is where it's used for Pilates. Opened up, it looks like this. It's pretty, it's definitely pretty. Okay, it's starting to come to an end. You see it counting down. I just left it on 6 the whole time, but it's at 24 seconds left. See, it counts down for you, and I'll tell you, yes, to me, it works for that. Now, it's not what it's intended for, and it does come with these little hand things. You can do Pilates while you're on it. And I may get to that stage. But right now, more than anything, I'm just going to use it as, I can feel it in my ears. And if I moved a certain way, I'd hit one shoulder more than the other. But I believe it may have some effect on people who get, the numbness in their feet from nerve damage. So it may help that. I don't know. But I'm going to keep up with this, and I'll keep up with it for a couple weeks before I come back and let you know what I really think. But yeah, I'll put a short on how, whether it worked or whether it didn't. So come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube things. Well, people need love too.